E-com, drop shipping products from China. Buy low, sell high. How come I never thought of that? I'm in. Yeah, Mr. Guru, I really want to thank you for taking the call, doing this coaching session here late at night. So your advice, if I'm just clear, is I can start a coaching business to teach coaches how to teach coaches to be coaches. That's brilliant. All right, I'm in. Hey Bob, Dan here. Yeah, hot new deal just came across my desk. Hi, Uncle Don. Yeah, this is Dan. Hey, how you doing? Hey, Aunt Betty. Yeah, this is Dan. How you doing? Long time. Was it just last week that I called you about that opportunity? Hey, Mom. Hey, this is Dan. Hey, listen, I wondered if you had a little bit of extra money laying around. Hey, listen, Uncle Don, you keep your business options open? Listen, I got something I want to tell you about. It's a brand new acai berry opportunity. I saw some before and afters. The fat really seems to be melting off people with this one. Yes, no, it's not another one of those pyramid things. No, this is big. I want to make you proud, Mom. I'm telling you, this time, this is going to be big. This is ground floor. You got a huge opportunity. Look, Bitcoin's going crazy right now. It's shooting through the roof. Have you seen it on? There's a new opportunity to make 2% profits daily. And I was thinking, you were talking about retirement. Well, this also is a money-making opportunity. All you got to do is go down to the bingo hall. Look, last time you said you were going to call me back. You didn't call me back. So all right. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Share with 3 women who get 3 women who... I got a hot new business I'm starting here locally. Just wondered if you wanted to get in on the ground floor. 3 women who get 3 women who... Hey, how's it going, man?
What's going on, man?
Hey, do you happen to keep your business options open?
Business?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
3 women who get 3 women who get 3 women. I mean, I'm talking about real retirement here, Aunt Betty. And all I got to do is I got a small buy-in. Can I borrow a little bit of money? Getting in at the top, saw some before and afters. Fat's melting off people on this one. Hot deal, better get in now. Hi, hello, Bob? Bob, you there? Yeah? Yeah, I'll have Mom call you. Okay. Oh, those acai berries. Hey, excuse me, sir?
Yeah.
Do you happen to keep your business options open?
What?
Hi, I'm Dr. Seymour Profits. Are you struggling with shiny object syndrome? If so, you're not alone. This disorder affects millions of entrepreneurs from all around the world and keeps them from ever achieving any real success with anything they do. Some symptoms of shiny object syndrome include saying you got scammed when in fact it's you that never really actually follows through with anything that you do. Going into the NFL, that's the no friends left club because you're always pitching your friends and family with your latest business opportunity idea. Feeling frustrated because you never take the time to learn any skills, yet are confused why you never get any results. Always falling for the hottest overnight get-rich-quick deals instead of learning valuable skills and building a real business based on selling valuable products with high profit margins. If you've experienced any of these symptoms, don't worry, there is an answer. His name is Dave Sharpe, and he's been featured in Entrepreneur and quoted as honest and sincere and at the top of the food chain of online marketers by Forbes. He's helped tens of thousands of people from all around the world make money online with his simple yet powerful online marketing systems. He practices what he preaches, and he's enjoyed massive success. yet what he's most proud of is his opportunities to be able to give back to people like his dad. For anyone who's tired of starting business after business, attending webinar after webinar and buying course after course, but getting little to no results, Dave will reveal to you the simple secrets to starting and launching a digital freelance marketing business that earns high ticket commissions without creating any products, servicing any clients, and with no prior knowledge or experience required. Simply click the link for a free video that explains how. Thank you. Hey, what's going on? This is Dave Sharpe. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. We love making it for you. Hey, listen, if you don't listen to your doctor, even though Dr. Seymour profits, he really knows what he's talking about. Look, take it from me. Click the link. I'll see you over on my site. I'm going to show you something that's really special. I know it'll help you. I'll see you over there. Peace.